Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about an important process in jewelry or component manufacturing, casting. Casting is a complex process that involves multiple steps and can be costly. Here at Poyijim, we take great pride in our casting process and are excited to share with you the main steps involved. First, we place the wax tree into a container, typically a tank, and proceeded to vacuum and inject the mold. This process is designed to create a shape that can hold the metal. Next, we perform wax burning, transforming the wax mold into a hollow mold. This step requires a high-temperature furnace and careful control of time and technique to ensure the wax is fully burned away. Then we heat the mold in a high-temperature furnace to make it ready to receive the metal. This step requires precise temperature and time control to avoid overheating or underheating the metal. After that, we pour the molten metal or alloy into the hollow mold, allowing it to cool and solidify to form a blank for the jewelry or component. Next, we remove the blank from the mold, rinse it, and remove any remaining residue. Finally, we perform cutting and polishing, removing any excess parts from the mold to create a smooth and refined component or piece of jewelry. Our skilled workers use different casting devices and adjust the temperature and time based on the materials used to achieve the best results. Casting is a highly sophisticated and complex process that requires years of training and experience to master. At Poyijim, we take pride in our commitment to excellence in casting and strive to deliver the best quality products to our customers. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about jewelry or component manufacturing, be sure to stay tuned for more content from our channel.